What's up guys, Matt Philly here. As you can tell by the title, today I am buying my dad a laptop. Now this isn't like other YouTubers where they buy their parents' houses and cars and things like that, but this was just something cool that I thought I would upload. A little bit of a backstory. Basically my dad's laptop has just kind of been crapping out on him. He's just kind of been smacking it around and getting pissed off because it freezes and it highlights things randomly and all this stuff. And the other day my brother brought in his 2-in-1 laptop and he thought it was the coolest thing ever, and he was like, oh, I'm gonna have to look that up and get myself one of those. So I was like, that's an idea. I could just go buy him a 2-in-1 laptop and he should be pretty happy. I had trouble finding a 2-in-1 that I knew would work for my dad. He had a lot of things that he doesn't like small screens, he doesn't like has to have like 8 gigs of RAM, all these things. So taking all of that into account, I was able to find one at Micro Center 40 minutes away from me, but it was a certified refurb, which really shouldn't like scare you too much. You're saving a lot of money in the process, but I also thought, it's Micro Center. It'll be good. We'll be fine. So I said, all right, screw it. I'm going to drive out there. And that is exactly what I did. It's time to go. Here's my truck. I haven't actually showed it off on this channel, I don't think. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm definitely not compensating for anything. All right, so we just left Micro Center, got the laptop, and I'm here with my buddy Dominic.
What's up?
Guys, you should definitely, this sounds so fake, but you guys should definitely go check out his channel. He does all sorts of vending. If you want to get into vending, make money, side cash, get that hustle going, go check out his channel. I actually helped him film a video. We're probably gonna go film more videos, sometime this week or something like that. And so definitely go check those out. They're actually very informative and very entertaining. Even if you're not getting into the whole vending business, if you want to see how the whole vending world works, very, very interesting. Let's go back and surprise my dad. So picking up the laptop was easy. I will say Micro Center was really odd. I've been there before, but this was by far the weirdest interaction I've ever had with multiple people there, and they really weren't that friendly, so I was a little upset. Regardless, I got the laptop, and quickly I'll read off some of the specs. I'll link it down below. I don't know if there's a newer model, but this one has the i5-8250U, 8 gigs of RAM, a terabyte hard drive, Intel graphics, 620, and then it also has that 15.6-inch display, although my dad would prefer 17-inch. I didn't see any, at least in my price range, so 15.6 it is. It has a card reader, all that other fun stuff that laptops have, but really, most importantly, it just checked all of those boxes, and I knew he would love it. So now that I have the laptop, it's time to surprise my dad. Let's make sure it's working.
Right, now it says 2007.
Do I have to record it?
No, it's good. Just hold it.
Okay.
So I decided to do a little something for you.
Oh, dude, you didn't have to.
There you go.
Why'd you buy me a laptop?
Because I wanted to. And it's sponsored, but mainly because I wanted to. So, so there you go. I mean, it is, I will be honest, it's certified refurbished. But if you don't like it, bring it back into something different. But it is a 2-in-1. It's HPME, like you said. Okay. So it's just like Glenn's that you saw.
So almost like the one that I was just looking for on Amazon.
Oh, you really had one up?
I had one up. I was looking at this one on Amazon.
Wow. Yeah.
The HP.
Yeah, 15.6. It has 8 gigs, I think. And yeah, terabyte hard drive, everything like that. So
why'd you buy this for me?
Because I wanted to. Because you're always doing stuff for us, so.
Oh, I appreciate that, but you didn't buy this.
Hopefully it's good. I mean, I'm holding Micro Center to a high standard here, hoping that their certified refurbished is actually.
Is that where you went? You went to Micro Center?
Yeah, I went all the way out there.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh, it's got the same sound system that my new truck has.
Okay, weird flex, but alright.
Seriously? Oh wow,
that's good. Try folding it. Let's see if it snaps in half or not. If it snaps in half, then I got the wrong model. So.
Alright, so I want to fold it like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so use my knee.
Yep. So there you go. When you're on the couch, whatever, you just use it as like a tablet.
Or on the bowl.
Yeah, well, okay. TMI there, but.
Oh, this is awesome, Matthew. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do that.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I really, you shouldn't do stuff like that for me.
So there you go.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. We'll get it set up. Good stuff.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you.
I know my dad thinks he's so funny with the fake crying, but really he did appreciate it. He was so happy, caught off guard, which is by far the best reaction you can get. And yeah, it just feels good. So It was a great feeling, great experience. But what's even greater is the fact that I was able to get a sponsor for this video, which just makes things even better. This video is sponsored by Surfshark, which is a VPN, aka a virtual private network. You can use Surfshark on your computer and your phone, which is what I do. With the click of a button, you get access to a safe and encrypted network connection, just like that. Surfshark helps me protect my digital life from hackers who can basically do anything they want if they were to get their hands on my information. In addition to privacy protection, I like being able to watch content that is restricted to a certain country, like a TV show. All I have to do is choose the country I want to appear in, and just like that, I'm all set. Surfshark is available for Android and iOS, as well as macOS and Windows, and there are even browser extensions available for Firefox and Chrome, so no matter what, you can use Surfshark. Not only do I use Surfshark on my personal devices, but now I can set it up on my dad's new laptop, since Surfshark is the only VPN that allows unlimited simultaneous connections with just one account. To sign up, head on over to surfshark.com/swashin or click the link in the description to get 83% off their 2-year plan. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring it, and stay tuned because the new rebranded Pin My Setup is coming at the end of this month. Hopefully. I have a website being developed, and that's what's kind of holding everything back. But stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Swashin. Follow me on Twitter, swashintv. And with that said, guys, I'll see you in the next video.